Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back. We're looking at question 17 on our Cayley paper, which asks if P is between 3 and 10, and Q is between 12 and 21, then the difference between the largest and smallest possible values of the fraction P over Q is. Okay. So you could probably mess around with some guess and check in this question. That's okay, but to really do this question and do it quickly, we need to sort of understand, well, what influences fractions and makes them large or small. Okay? And if we have two fractions, so if we have a fraction a over b, and then we have another fraction with, say, the same denominator, so c over b, we can actually say that a over b is greater than c over b, exactly if a is greater than c. So the bigger the numerator, the bigger the fraction. And if we kept the denominator, if we kept the numerator the same, we can actually say that a over b is going to be greater than a over c, exactly if, and it's the opposite, and that's what's interesting to me, exactly if c is greater than b. If we're dividing a into less pieces, each piece will comparatively be bigger. So it's actually smaller numerator gives us the bigger fraction. Now all we have to do for this question, because we have a range of values for both the numerator and denominator, we just need to pick the biggest p value and the smallest q value. And combined, that'll be the biggest fraction. So that'll be 10 over 12. But if you want to go the other way and get the smallest fraction, just reverse this process. A big numerator being a big fraction, while a small numerator will give you a small fraction. And a big denominator, because we're dividing it into more pieces, each piece, all things being equal, will then be smaller. So we'll use the biggest q value. And so that'll be 3 over 21, if I'm remembering the numbers. Yeah, 3 and 21. 3 and 21. There we go. And so that's our smallest fraction, and we just want the difference. So 10 twelfths minus 3 21sts. I'll change this into 5 sixths minus 1 seventh. Get 35 40-seconds. Minus 6 40-seconds. That'll be 29 40-seconds, and that is our final answer. Is that one of the possibilities? Yes, it's the very first one, A. And there we go. That's question number 17. Hopefully you guys got the same answer I did, 29 40-seconds. And we can move right along to question number 18. See you then.